Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a handwriting animation in CapCut, perfect for titles, quotes, or personal notes. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and start a new project. Then here add your video or background and tap text and type your message and choose a handwritten style, font like dancing script or column. Then once your text is added, tap animation and go to In and select Write or search in the search bar a typewriter animation, and this creates the handwriting effect. You can also adjust the duration to make the writing slower or faster. And for more realism, try lowering the opacity or adding a pencil sound effect. And bonus tip, if you want a full control, you can use CapCut's Draw tool to manually animate each stroke as an overlay. This is great for unique handwriting visuals. And that's it. A smooth handwriting animation made right in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.